All right, everybody, let's talk about a payout with Lucid Trading. So here's the thing, right? There's a lot of prop firms out there, and I get it. And I get it. So I tried this out because a student asked me to. So I'm going to show you that how I did it, the eval process, and how I got a payout and how they paid out. Because a lot of, and again, I'm not going to say names, but there's so many prop firms out there that unfortunately don't pay out after you do all the work. And I just tried a different one just because someone asked me to. So we're gonna go into it, my stats, how much money I made, how much I paid, and you're gonna see how I made over $10,000 trading this in a couple of days. And exactly, I'm gonna show you the full breakdown. So that's what you're seeing right here. So let's go into it. I bought a 150K account from Lucid. Again, the best prop firm is Tradeify. Nothing, no hate against Lucid, but Tradeify is the best. But I bought a $150,000 account. That's the ones I like. That's the ones you can get on Tradeify, just hit sell. And then I made $10,613 on this account. And you can see the equity curve. You can see the breakdown. You're seeing all of it, right? Right there. There's my daily loss limit. There is the P&L breakdown. And look, if you look at the equity curve, again, these things can't be faked. I get it. Everything's fake. But these can't be faked. So you see the smooth move on my equity curve, which is basically the P&L breakdown and exactly how I did it. I'm interrupting your lesson right now to let you know, if you don't know, you want to get consistent. Well, listen, I wrote 3 books. I got one of them on me right now. How to just hit sell consistently trading, how to be a consistent trader, and the Consistent Trader Journal Checklist. Everything you need, I've covered it already. Why are you wasting your time searching this, that, the third? You're already watching me right now. Might as well get the book. Click down in the description, get them, and go on your way of what? Consistency. See you in class. Let's go. And if you notice at the top, you'll see the daily loss limit. The more money I make, the daily loss limit, of course, expands. And that's what you're seeing in front of your face. So that's the breakdown for the day that I did it. So we're going to look at each and every single day. As you can see, I made $2,200 there, $3,000, $4,000, and then $973 to basically get the payout. So again, this is what I do. This is how I do it. The last day, as you can see, was for the consistency. Technically, you need 3 days minimum. 3 days on Lucid. You see a 4th day because I made too much money. This is not consistent. $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, that's not consistent. So to get under the 40% consistency rule, I made $973 just to get there. So here's each trade breakdown. Nothing secret here. You see NQ, you see GC. That's the 2 tickers you see. You see the dates, you see the P&L high, the net P&L, the breakdown of each and every single one of it, right there. Simple, nothing like wow, nothing secretive. It's candles, levels, multiple time frames. You see the P&L lows, you see the commission fees, the average win, how long. If you notice, I make the most money less than 2 minutes. You could say 3 minutes. That losing that you see right there, 27, I believe that was Asia session, but I was not in a losing trade for 27. But the way they do the math, God bless them. So that's the account summary right there. Let's look at it. I'm eligible for a payout. I have a second account there, but don't worry about that. The consistency is at 345%. I'm just testing this one out for this prop firm. So I'm eligible for a payout. So let's take a payout. The max you could take out is $3,000, as you can see. I'm eligible, do the KYC, link your bank account, all of that. You're gonna click request a payout, select the account, my Bank of America account, but censored out. I can take out $3,000. That's the maximum. Guys, I'm coming out right now. I know you were watching an episode or lesson, but I just wanna let you know, free trading course, daytradeprofessor.com. You're broke, you got no money, you got nothing, but you just wanna start it off, Day Trade Professor, click down below, go in the description and start the free course. It'll help you get along the way. See you in the next one. Let's go. This is why I like Tradeify. I could take out $5,000 on Tradeify. Here's the payout. Request has been sent. Let that go through. But Tradeify, I could take out $5,000. Lucid lets me take out $3,000, whatever. Now, if you notice, everything is restarted again. Everything will restart. So with Lucid, you have to do it all over again for the next 3 days. The rest of the money is still there. It's not like the money has magically vanished. But you see my profit of $10,613. Let's view details. Let's go to... So boom, this is the account I bought, the 150K account size. That's what I like. Again, Tradeify's details are much better. So if you go to Tradeify, the 150K, you have to make a little bit more. But remember, the drawdown is key. A lot of traders lose money because of shenanigans. And why? Oh my God, I'm down. The account's blown. Give yourself more room. You click the link in the description, and if you notice, if you go to Tradeify 150 account, you'll notice you have more space. But these are the breakdowns of what you can do with Lucid. I'm here in Dominican Republic, my mentorship students. Guys, say what's up. They're right there. I believe it. So they're down there right now, but I'm like, let me just film this. But this is what I did.
I'm interrupting your class right now to let you know, and I know you know, if you've used my free course, you use my books, I got 3 of them, and it's still not enough and you feel like you want more, well, guess what? I got a mentorship program happening in New York in my classroom, small amount of students in a lecture hall setting where I go through precision what you need to do what? Buy and sell strategically. And if you don't want to come to New York, I yearly have international trips. You can join those. Get a mentor, get everything figured out. I got a secret Instagram where I talk about deeper things that I don't talk publicly. I'll see you in my class. Let's go.
So again, Tradeify. And there's everything restarted. As you just see, let's go back. Everything has restarted again. You have to do consistency again, but the rest of the money's still there. 6,368. After 3 days of consistent trading, I'll take out another payout, and then another payout, another. Again, I just don't like the $3,000. This is why Tradeify is much better, but it's okay. You know, no hate against Lucid, no hate against other prop firm. Tradeify is just better. As you can see, that's how much I have. There it is. Very simple. You just do candles, levels, multiple time frames, and the full breakdown is there. You know, your drawdown, as you can see, profit target is $1,000. It's not that complicated. If you look at the stats, and the payout is processing, as you can see. By the way, their payout is fast, Monday to Friday. They'll pay you out in like 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. Tradeify pays you fast. Lucid pays you fast. Why would you want to do anything else? I'm just saying, why would you want to do anything else? Master candles, levels, multiple time frames. The rest is history. May peace be upon you all. I'll see you in class.